Hi, good day. M6210. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Fika Lubid. I am 44 years old. I am married. I have two children, one daughter, age 19 years old, and one son, age 14 years old. I am high school graduate. I have 7 siblings and I'm the sixth child. I currently reside here in Valenzuela City, Philippines, but my province is in Samar. I have working experience here in the Philippines for 5 years as a household helper, and I serve 5 family members, including 2 adults and 3 children, ages 10, 8, and 6 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, ironing, washing, and especially taking care of the children. And my second employer was in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 1 month. And there are also 5 members in the family, including 2 adults and 3 children, ages 9 years old, 6 years old, and 5-month-old baby. My duties are cleaning the house, washing, ironing, assisting madam in cooking, and especially taking care of the children and most 5-month-old baby.
Okay, so you have also experienced car washing, right? On your first employer, which is here in
Yes,
the
sir,
Philippines,
yes.
right? How many car do you car wash?
One.
Only one.
Yes.
Every
3 times a week.
3 times a week. So 3 times a week. Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, sir, I will check her diaper or the diaper of the baby. Maybe the baby is full diaper, and I will check the baby body temperature. Maybe maybe the baby is not okay or not feeling well, have fever, and I will check if maybe she's hungry or the baby is hungry. I need to make
Milk for the
Yes,
baby, right?
yes.
Okay. If the baby is still crying after you did all of your best, what will you do?
After I did everything to make the baby stop crying and not cry and not stop crying, I will call my employer, sir. That's
Okay.
the time I will call him.
Okay, that's the right thing you
Yes.
should do because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby
Yes,
to
sir.
make it stop to cry, right?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For me, sir, I want to work in Hong Kong because aside from my, I want to save money for my children's education. Hong Kong also is one of the safest place or country, and aside from that, high salary.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to work or renews my contract, sir, I will.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
So far, sir, no, I have no idea, but I am willing to learn, and I will try my best. I will check from YouTube or any recipe books, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
For me, sir, yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir, no problem for that.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir, also. It's okay for me, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
If your employer wants you to take care of pets, it is okay to you to take care.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
It's okay also, sir, no problem.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir, I will try my best to learn.
How about cutting your hair into short?
I am willing to cut my hair, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
My future employer, please hire me because I am honest person, I am diligent, I am respectful, and I am committed to performing my duties efficiently. Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Pe. Thank you.